for joining us. I'm Gary Liberatore. We got all that and more. The latest is official search for the person of interest in the Motel 6 fire in Oriskany. But first, we could be in store for some more unsettled weather. Meteorologist Hannah Evans joining us now to help us all plan our day ahead, and some wild weather came through yesterday.
Yes, we did see some rain yesterday. We will continue to see scattered showers, possibly a few thunderstorms today, but then we do look to dry out tomorrow.
Yeah, we needed this little two-day stretch.
Yes, we did. So let's take a look now at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. At this point, we are mostly dry, but we will continue to see scattered showers throughout the rest of today, and a few thunderstorms are also possible, and we are going to be on the cooler side once again, but still feeling a bit humid outside. High temperatures just expected to reach the mid-70s. But as you were heading out the door this morning, definitely be careful for patchy dense fog and in areas of low visibility. We will continue to see scattered showers, possibly a few thunderstorms throughout today, and we do look to dry out mostly tomorrow and Thursday with the possibility of a passing shower or storm, but otherwise we do look mostly dry for these next 2 days coming up. So as for today, we are tracking more showers, possibly a few more thunderstorms, highs in the lower to mid 70s, and I will be tracking all of this out coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Today we're expecting to learn.
Welcome back. As you are heading outside today, it is going to remain pretty humid with dew point values in the mid 60s. Even tomorrow and Thursday, it will be in the muggy category with dew point values in the low 60s. So this next week, coming up, we are going to continue to see humid, muggy weather. As for today, we will continue to see widespread showers for all of us. We do dry out for most of tomorrow, but there could be a passing shower possible. The same thing goes for Thursday, a passing shower or thunderstorm, and some more scattered showers come back in on Friday before we completely dry out over the weekend. But as you were heading out the door this morning, definitely be careful for patchy, dense fog, as well as a few wet roadways. In the afternoon, we will continue to see scattered showers and possibly a few thunderstorms. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. As of this morning, more than
from Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are tracking some dense, patchy fog this morning, as well as a few showers predicted throughout the day. So let's take a look now at the CATV tower camera. It is facing our parking lot. We have some dense fog up here on top of Smith Hill, so definitely be careful when driving in areas of low visibility this morning. But at this point, we are not really seeing any showers moving through on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 at Doppler radar. But once again, for today, the unsettled weather does look to continue with scattered showers and possibly a few thunderstorms throughout the day. This is all due once again to this low pressure system that is still sitting there, bringing in this unsettled weather. But high pressure is expected to come in for tomorrow with a dry day with sunshine. As of right now, we are warm and humid to start. 66 degrees in Dowdesville and 65 degrees in Utica, Whitesboro, and in Westmoreland. Looking to the south, we have 64 degrees in Hamilton and Norwich and 66 degrees in Cooperstown this morning. Our high temperature today not looking to rise too much. We will just be in the lower to mid 70s, and we will remain pretty humid with dew point values in the upper 60s. Even tomorrow through Friday, we are still looking to remain muggy with dew point values right near 60, so it is going to be a little bit humid for the rest of this week. But good news is that for the weekend, dry weather comes in and it does start to get a little bit more comfortable. But once again, heading out the door this morning, I would definitely be very careful when driving. At this point, we are seeing patchy, dense fog, and that will be through the morning hours. It will start to lighten up around 9 a.m., so definitely be careful when driving. As for today, we are still tracking mostly cloudy skies, a few scattered showers, possibly a few thunderstorms. Not as much as it was yesterday, but still unsettled with highs in the low 70s. Tonight, we will dry out, but be mostly cloudy with a low in the mid 60s. And as for tomorrow, we will start out by seeing sunshine, but we cannot rule out the possibility of a passing shower in the afternoon and evening hours. Heading into Thursday, we also remain mostly dry throughout the day on Thursday, but we cannot rule out the possibility of a passing shower or storm Thursday later on in the day. As for today, we are still tracking mostly cloudy skies, humid weather with scattered showers, possibly a few thunderstorms, and tonight's that will continue, and we will see patchy dense fog once again heading into tomorrow morning. But for tomorrow, we do clear out for some sunshine and get a little bit warmer, but we cannot rule out the possibility of a passing shower. A passing thunderstorm is possible on Thursday with some widespread rain on Friday. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thank you. Still ahead on News Channel 2022. Good morning, and thank you for joining us for this half hour. I'm Gary Libator. A busy morning here at News Channel 2 once again. But first, we want to get a check of your forecast. Meteorologist Hannah Evans joining us now to help us plan our Tuesday ahead. Boy, was that all a mouthful today.
Yes, it was.
Oh, my goodness.
We did see some rain yesterday. We will continue to see some more rain today, but then tomorrow looks to dry out.
About time, right?
Yes, about
After
time.
2 days.
So let's take a look now at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. At this point, we are not really seeing much on the radar, just a few showers moving through, but today, scattered showers, possibly a few thunderstorms will continue. And it is going to remain on the cooler side once again, but still feeling very humid outside with dew point values in the upper 60s. So as you're heading out the door this morning, definitely be careful for some patchy dense fog and in areas of low visibility when driving. But the unsettled weather does continue today. Some more scattered showers, possibly a few thunderstorms, and we do look to mostly dry out for tomorrow and even a little bit for Thursday. But as for today, we are tracking a few showers still possible throughout the day, highs in the low 70s, and I will be talking a little bit more about this drier weather coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. More fallout this
Most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are starting out with some dense, patchy fog this morning, and we will continue to see scattered showers for today. So let's take a look now at the CAVI tower camera. You can't see much at all. Once again, very foggy up here on top of Smith Hill, so definitely be careful when driving in areas of low visibility this morning. But as of right now, on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we are tracking mostly dry conditions. There are just wet roadways this morning, and we will see scattered showers, possibly a few thunderstorms once again throughout today. This is still due to this area of low pressure sitting over us. But as we head into tomorrow, an area of high pressure comes in, and we do dry out for some sunshine tomorrow. But as for this morning, we are starting out warm and humid still. We have 66 degrees in Dowdesville and Little Falls, and 65 degrees in Utica and in Whitesboro. Looking to the south, we have 64 degrees in Hamilton, in Sherburne, and in Norwich this morning. Once again, the high temperature today looks to remain on the cooler side with highs just in the low 70s. But definitely be careful as you are heading outside here this morning. There is very dense patchy fog in some areas, so very careful of that. That will last through about 9 a.m., then it will start to lift, and we will continue to see mostly cloudy skies for today. But make sure you do drive slow for the commute this morning. It also is going to be very humid for today, and it will remain muggy for the rest of this week. Our dew point value is in the upper 60s today. That is very humid, so it is going to feel kind of sticky outside. Even for tomorrow through Friday, it is going to remain muggy with dew point values right near 60. So a nice humid next couple of days ahead. And as for today, we will continue to see unsettled weather, scattered showers, possibly a few thunderstorms for the day today with high temperatures just in the low 70s. And tonight we do look to dry out with mostly cloudy skies, a low in the mid 60s. Tomorrow those clouds will decrease in the morning. We will be seeing sunshine throughout the day, but we cannot rule out the possibility of a passing shower or a passing thunderstorm later on in the day tomorrow. Heading into Thursday, the sunshine does look to remain for a little bit on Thursday. Partly cloudy skies are expected, and once again, we cannot rule out the possibility of a passing shower or a passing thunderstorm later in the day on Thursday, but both tomorrow and Thursday do look mostly dry. As for today, the unsettled weather does continue. We will see mostly cloudy skies, a few scattered showers, possibly a few thunderstorms, highs in the low 70s. And tonight, the rain will continue. Then we will dry out and see some dense patchy fog once again tomorrow morning. But tomorrow, it does look like the sunshine is going to come in. It will warm up a little bit. Before both tomorrow and Thursday, there is a chance to see a passing shower or a passing storm with some rain coming back in on Friday.
Another good weekend ahead.
Yes, it does look to out for the weekend.
All right, Hannah, thank you.
You're welcome.
High school football training camps have begun joining us. I'm Gary Libator. We've got all that plus much more. The latest is official search for the person of interest in the motel fire in Oriskany. But first, we could be in store for some more unsettled weather right here in our area. We've been seeing it all across the country, and some pretty loud thunder and lightning yesterday, and more today possibly.
Yes, and we saw a lot of heavy rain yesterday just in certain areas. Today, scattered showers and possibly a few thunderstorms will continue, but then we do look to dry out tomorrow.
You can see the lawns already turning green again.
Yes, it looks a lot better. So let's take a look now at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 at Doppler radar. At this point, we are mostly dry. There are a few showers moving through, but scattered showers can be expected once again for today, and it is also going to remain on the cooler side with high temperatures just in the lower to mid 70s, but it is going to feel very humid outside, so not really feeling that much cooler. But if you are heading out this morning, I would definitely be careful. There still is some patchy, dense fog in the area, so be careful when driving in areas of low visibility. The unsettled weather does look to continue through today with some scattered showers, possibly a few thunderstorms, and we do look to mostly dry out for the next 2 days, so I will be talking about that coming up in a little. But as for today, we are tracking high temperatures in the low 70s and a few more scattered showers throughout the day, and I will be tracking all this out coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Don't forget her forecast.
Welcome back. It is going to be very humid once again today with dew point values in the upper 60s, and even for the rest of this week it will remain pretty muggy with dew point values right around 60, and we will continue to see some showers today with this humidity. So all of us are going to continue to see a few showers throughout today, not as much as it was yesterday. We will dry out mostly for tomorrow and Thursday, but there is a chance to see a passing shower or thunderstorm on both of these days. On Friday, some more scattered showers, possibly a few thunderstorms come in, but then we do look dry and comfortable for the weekend. So as you are heading out the door this morning, definitely be careful for patchy dense fog that is in some areas, as well as wet roadways in the afternoon. Scattered showers and possibly some thunderstorms are possible once again. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. As of this morning, more than
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are tracking cloudy skies with some patchy fog this morning, and scattered showers are expected once again today. So let's take a look now at the Marabido Tower camera overlooking Oneonta. We are seeing overcast skies as well as some dense fog, so just be careful when driving in areas of low visibility this morning. And it is going to remain unsettled today. So as of right now, on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 at Doppler radar, we are tracking mostly dry conditions in our area, but scattered showers, possibly a few thunderstorms are expected once again today due to this low pressure system still lingering around. But tomorrow we do look to dry out thanks to an area of high pressure that is going to be coming in. According to our sky watchers, we are warm and humid once again to start today. 64 degrees in Old Forge and 65 degrees in New Hartford and Clinton. Looking to the south, we have 65 degrees in Milford and in Edmiston here this morning. Our high temperature today only looking to be in the low 70s, so below average once again, but it is going to feel pretty sticky outside because it is going to be very humid. And as you are heading out the door this morning, just be very careful. There are areas of dense fog. It should start to diminish around 8 or 9 a.m., but definitely be careful in the early morning hours today. You could be driving through areas of low visibility, as well as there are wet roadways. It is going to remain pretty humid today. Our dew point value will be in the upper 60s. And even for tomorrow and the rest of this week, it is going to remain pretty muggy with dew point values right near 60. It doesn't look to get comfortable again as we head into the weekend, and that is when it also looks to dry out with some sunshine. As for today, we are tracking mostly cloudy skies throughout the day. A few scattered showers, possibly a few thunderstorms are expected with highs just in the low 70s. Tonight, we will begin to dry out, seeing mostly cloudy skies, and those clouds will decrease into the morning hours of tomorrow, but we cannot rule out the possibility of a passing shower or thunderstorm for tomorrow later on in the day. Same kind of deal for Thursday. It does look to be partly cloudy throughout the day on Thursday, but we cannot rule out the possibility of a passing shower or passing thunderstorm. And it is going to start to get warmer as we head into tomorrow. As for today, though, we will be in at the low 70s for the the high temperature. Mostly cloudy skies with a few scattered showers, possibly a thunderstorm. And tonight we are going to be dealing with some patchy fog again in the early morning hours of tomorrow, but we will dry out overnight. The fog will lift tomorrow and we will be seeing sunshine, a little bit warmer, but we cannot rule out the possibility of a passing shower or storm for both tomorrow and Thursday. Some more showers coming on Friday, but the weekend is looking pretty nice so far, Gary.
All in all, we've been very lucky.
Yes, especially on the weekend.
Yeah, I mean, even those storms yesterday weren't too bad.
Yes.
Hannah, thanks. Be sure to follow us on Twitter. And good morning, and thank you for joining us for this half hour. I'm Gary Lubitor. A busy morning here at News Channel 2 once again. But first, we want to get a check of your forecast here on this Tuesday. Meteorologist Hannah Evans joining us this morning, and more green behind you again today.
Yes, so we will continue to see a few scattered showers through today. Not as much as we saw yesterday, but then tomorrow we do dry out with sunshine.
Boy, we got quite the soaking for a while.
I know we did.
It was nice.
Yes, it was nice, and then the lawns needed it and everything,
that's
so it
for
was
sure.
good.
Yeah.
So let's take a look now at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. At this point, only tracking a few showers in Otsego County. Otherwise, the rest of us are dry, but scattered showers, possibly a few thunderstorms will continue through today as this unsettled weather continues. And we will be a little bit cooler once again. High temperatures just in the low 70s, but it is going to be humid, so it is going to feel quite sticky outside. But just be careful when driving this morning. There is still some patchy, dense fog outside. It is starting to lift at this point, but just be careful of that. And we will continue to see scattered showers, possibly a few thunderstorms throughout today, not as much as it was yesterday. And we will start to dry out for the next 2 days starting tomorrow. And I will talk more about that coming up. But as for today, we are tracking scattered showers, cloudy skies, and highs in the low 70s. And I will be talking a little bit more about this dry weather coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thank you. More fallout this morning from the FBI.
Welcome back. Today we are going to be a little bit cooler once again up in the North Country with high temperatures just near 70 degrees. In the Mohawk Valley, we will be looking at high temperatures in the low 70s and right near 70 once again for the southern valleys. With the rain continuing today, so it does look like we could be seeing another half an inch to maybe a little bit more, maybe a little bit less of rain today. It is not going to be as heavy as it was yesterday, but still scattered showers and the unsettled weather continues for today. So I know the rain is helping the grass grow a little bit. If you did want to mow your lawn tomorrow or Thursday, I would definitely recommend getting it done early. It does look mostly dry for both these days, but there's the possibility for a passing shower or thunderstorm on both of these days. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. We are getting a better look this morning at some of the damage caused by flooding in Texas after yesterday's huge storms. We start in the Dallas metro area where there were close to 200 high water rescues over the course of just 24 hours. The water was climbing so quickly, cars were swept up and pushed into yards. Hundreds of flights in and out of Dallas also had to be canceled. Evacuation orders were issued in parts of Arizona. The Duncan Valley Rural Fire District started mass evacuations yesterday morning. They say that at the moment there is no expected time frame for when those floodwaters you see right there will recede. Trees, power line poles, and even some structures are underwater because of those rising waters. In parts of Maryland, dozens of cars were stranded in rising water as heavy rains moved through, dropping 2 to 3 inches per hour. Some parking lots were flooded and police had to shut down several roads due to fast-moving water. No one was seriously hurt there. But Texas fire officials did just confirm the first death caused by the Texas flooding. A woman was found in a vehicle located under a bridge. Officials believe the woman's vehicle was swept off the road by floodwaters. Officials say she was actually on the phone with a family member before losing contact. Much more on the Texas flooding coming up on the Today Show. That starts at 7 a.m. right here on News Channel 2. The time now, 6.
Most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are starting out with some patchy, dense fog and cloudy skies with the possibility of some more scattered showers for today. So let's take a look now at the Cavie Tower camera overlooking the city of Utica, but we can't really see it. Once again, a very patchy, dense fog this morning, so definitely be careful when driving in areas of low visibility. And at this point, we are mostly dry on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, but scattered showers, possibly a few thunderstorms can be expected to move through once again for today due to this lingering area of low pressure. But good news is that high pressure does come in tomorrow, and it does look to dry out with some sunshine for the next 2 days. According to our sky watchers, we are starting out pretty warm and humid once again this morning. We have 62 degrees in Inlet and 66 degrees in Westdale. Looking to the south, we have 65 degrees in Milford and Evanston and 64 degrees in Hartwick this morning. Our high temperature today only expected to reach the low 70s once again, but it is still going to feel pretty warm and sticky outside because of the humidity. And this morning, if you are traveling anywhere, definitely be very careful when driving. We are measuring very dense fog in some areas. It does look to start to lift as we head into 9 a.m., but still for the morning commute, definitely be careful and take it slow because the roadways are also pretty wet from yesterday. We are going to be very humid today once again with dew point values in the upper 60s. Even tomorrow and the rest of the week, it still remains quite muggy with dew point values right near 60 or in the low 60s. And we don't look to get relief from the humidity until we head into next weekend. And next weekend is already looking pretty nice and dry with low humidity and sunshine. But as for today, we are going to see cloudy skies once again, scattered showers, possibly a few thunderstorms, high temperatures just in the low 70s with high humidity. Tonight we will dry out, but it is going to be mostly cloudy and still muggy overnight. As for tomorrow, though, those clouds will decrease and we will start to see some sunshine and mostly dry conditions, but we cannot rule out the possibility of a passing shower or thunderstorm later on in the day tomorrow. Kind of the same deal for Thursday. It is going to start warming up once again with highs near 80. We will be seeing dry weather and partly cloudy skies, but we still cannot rule out the possibility of a passing shower or thunderstorm later on in the day on Thursday. But as for today, it is going to be mostly cloudy, remaining unsettled with scattered showers, possibly a few thunderstorms, and the rain will continue tonight a little bit. We will dry out to cloudy skies and we will see patchy dense fog once again for tomorrow morning. But tomorrow, sunshine looks to come in. It does warm up a little bit as well. For tomorrow and Thursday, we cannot rule out the possibility of a passing shower or storm. Some more showers and storms come in on Friday, but so far the weekend is looking pretty nice, Gary.
So we're getting close to having green grass again.
Yes, we are getting close.
Thanks to 2 days of rain.
Yes.
Hannah, thanks. High school football training. Thank you for joining us. I'm Gary Libator. We have a lot to get to this morning, but first we want to be and get you up to date on some unsettled weather. Let's get right over to Storm Tracker 2 meteorologist Hannah Evans with a look at what we need to know to start our day today here on this Tuesday.
So starting out, we are seeing some fog, so definitely be careful when driving. We are going to continue to see scattered showers today. Not as heavy as it was yesterday, but still remaining unsettled.
Yeah, it came down heavy at times.
It did. So let's take a look now. If you are heading out the door, definitely grab the umbrella. Seeing a few showers now, but patchy fog is our main thing this morning, so just be careful of that when driving. In the afternoon, scattered showers, possibly a few thunderstorms can be expected once again. So for today, we are tracking some rain showers, highs just in the low 70s, and cloudy skies throughout the day. It also is going to be humid. Tonight, we will dry out, mostly cloudy skies, and then see some patchy fog once again tomorrow morning. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thank you. Don't forget.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are tracking cloudy skies and some fog this morning, but the unsettled weather looks to continue today. Let's take a look now at the Mirabito Tower camera overlooking Oneonta. The fog is starting to lift, but there still are areas with lower visibility when driving, so just be careful of that. And as of right now, we are mostly dry on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, with the exception of the Oneonta area, but we will continue to see scattered showers and possibly possibly a few thunderstorms once again today due to this low pressure system that is still lingering around. But good news is that high pressure looks to come in tomorrow, and we do mostly dry out for tomorrow. According to our sky watchers, we are starting out pretty warm and humid already this morning. We have 62 degrees in Inlet and 66 degrees in Westdale. Looking to the south, we have 64 degrees in Hartwick and 66 degrees in Lawrence and West Lawrence. It is going to remain on the cooler side today with high temperatures just in the low 70s. And we also have that patchy dense fog this morning, so definitely be careful here when driving. It is going to start to lift as we head into the next hour or so, and we will be cleared out, but still seeing mostly cloudy skies as we head into the rest of the day today with those scattered showers and possibly a few thunderstorms. And it is going to remain very humid today, so although it is going to be on the cooler side, it still is going to feel quite warm and sticky outside with dew point values in the upper 60s. Even for tomorrow and the rest of the week, dew point values will remain in the muggy category, so it is going to remain kind of muggy and sticky through the week. Our next day for more comfortable weather looks to be for the weekend on Saturday. We will be seeing dry weather coming in with sunshine and more comfortable humidity levels. As for today, though, we are tracking humid weather with cloudy skies. Scattered showers are possible as well as a few thunderstorms. Highs are going to be in the low 70s. We dry out tonight but see mostly cloudy skies and still a bit muggy overnight. The clouds decrease into tomorrow. We will be seeing partly cloudy skies, but we cannot rule out the possibility of a passing shower or a thunderstorm in the later hours of tomorrow. The same thing kind of goes for Thursday. We will be seeing mostly dry weather with sunshine, but we cannot rule out the possibility of a passing shower or storm later in the day on Thursday. As for today, though, we are expecting some scattered showers, possibly a few thunderstorms, highs in the low 70s, and that will continue a little bit tonight, and we will dry out and see some more patchy fog early tomorrow morning. Sunshine does look to come in tomorrow and Thursday, but we cannot rule out the possibility of a passing shower or thunderstorm. Some more widespread showers and thunderstorms come in Friday, and we are dry for the weekend.
Forecast. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
We are tracking scattered showers and some thunderstorms here this afternoon, and high temperatures today are going to reach the mid-70s. So let's take a look now at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Once again, we are tracking some light showers moving through, a few weaker thunderstorms moving through right now. So make sure you keep your umbrella handy if you are going to be outside. And all of us are going to be seeing some rain showers today due to a low pressure system. But tomorrow, high pressure comes back in. We will be mostly dry tomorrow and mostly dry on Thursday, but there is the exception to see a passing shower or two on both of those days. On Friday, more scattered showers come back in before we dry out for the weekend. So we did see some fog this morning that had lifted. We are seeing mostly cloudy skies as of right now with this unsettled weather, these scattered showers, and these weaker thunderstorms. It is still going to be pretty humid today with dew point values in the upper 60s, but we will see less humid weather starting tomorrow, and we will really start to dry out for tomorrow and Thursday. But as for today, we are still tracking some showers. Highs are going to be in the mid-70s, and I will be tracking all of this out coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. The New York Times.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good afternoon, everybody. We are tracking cloudy skies and some scattered showers as of right now with temperatures in the 70s. Let's take a look at the CAVI tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. As you can see right now, there is a brief storm that is going to be moving through here in Utica within the next, couple of minutes. So we are going to continue to see scattered showers and possibly a few scattered thunderstorms throughout this afternoon and evening. And taking a look now on the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we are seeing light to moderate scattered rain showers in some areas, but right now in the Utica area moving through this red color, that is going to be heavier rain and possibly a few rumbles of thunder in there. So we will continue to see this kind of pattern over the next couple of hours into the afternoon and evening. This is all once again due to this low pressure system that is still lingering around, giving us some scattered showers and some scattered thunderstorms, but high pressure will come in for tomorrow and we will mostly dry out. According to our sky watchers here this afternoon, we are mainly in the 70s with the exception of Old Forge, measuring 69 degrees, 75 degrees in Mohawk, and 74 degrees in Cassville. Our high temperature today is going to remain in the mid-70s, so cooler on average, but still feeling pretty warm because it is very humid outside. Our dew point values are in the upper 60s as of right now. That falls into the humid category. And even as we dry out for tomorrow and Thursday, it still is going to be quite muggy with dew point values right near 60. It doesn't look to get really comfortable again until we head into the weekend. So looking ahead over the next 2 days, it does mostly dry out for tomorrow and Thursday, but since it is muggy, there still is the possibility to see a passing shower or a passing thunderstorm. So as for tomorrow, Wednesday, it does look like there's a better chance to see a passing shower in the afternoon and evening hours. And on Thursday, there is a better chance to see a passing thunderstorm. We will also warm up over the next 2 days as well with highs near 80. So let's take a look at everything on the SkyCast. As for right now, we are tracking scattered showers and a few scattered thunderstorms. Highs today are going to reach the mid-70s. We do look to mostly dry out even overnight tonight. We will be seeing cloudy skies, a low in the mid-60s. And as for tomorrow, a decrease in cloud cover and a few passing showers are possible. Highs are going to be near 80. Heading into Thursday, it does look to remain dry with partly cloudy skies for most of the day. Highs near 80, but a passing storm is possible. As for today, though, we are still tracking scattered showers and storms. We have a high in the mid-70s, and it is pretty humid outside. Tonight, a low in the mid-60s, and we will continue to see a few showers overnight before we do dry out overnight. So as for tomorrow and Thursday, it does look mostly dry with some sunshine, possibility of a passing shower tomorrow and a passing storm on Thursday. Some more showers and storms come in on Friday, but we do dry out and get more comfortable for the weekend. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. After 24 hours in this half hour, once again, here is meteorologist Hannah Evans, and some more rain on the way, right?
Yes, we are tracking scattered showers and a few brief thunderstorms here this afternoon, and this will last through the evening. So let's take a look now at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 at Doppler radar. Once again, a few scattered showers. Not all of our area is seeing rain at this point, but all of us will today. Not as heavy as it was yesterday, but still it is kind of going to be a gloomy day outside. All of us, once again, seeing some rain today, but as we head into tomorrow and Thursday, it does look mostly dry. There is just the possibility of a passing shower or storm on both of those days, but it does look dry and partly cloudy for most of the days. Heading into Friday, once again, some more scattered showers and possibly a few thunderstorms come back in before we dry out for the weekend. So this afternoon, it is getting very humid, and we are seeing those rain showers because the unsettled weather is continuing due to a low pressure system. But as we head into tomorrow and Thursday, it does start to dry out before some rain comes back in on Friday. So as for today, we are tracking scattered showers, possibly a few thunderstorms. Highs are in the mid-70s, and I will be tracking all of this out coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good afternoon, everybody. We are tracking cloudy skies and some scattered showers moving throughout this afternoon and evening. Temperatures will be in the 70s. Let's take a look now at our Cavie Tower camera overlooking the city of Utica, but as of right now, we are seeing some heavy rain moving through. We will continue to see scattered on and off showers throughout the afternoon, even the possibility of a few brief thunderstorms. So here is our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 at Doppler radar. We're seeing lighter rain showers moving through in some areas, but in Utica, Rome area, we just saw some heavier rain that moved through. So that will kind of be the theme for the rest of the afternoon and evening. A few scattered showers, possibly getting heavy at times, and possibly some brief thunderstorms. This is all due to this low pressure system still lingering around, but heading into tomorrow, high pressure comes back in, and that will dry us out for tomorrow and Thursday. But according to our sky watchers, we are pretty humid this afternoon, and most of us are in the 70s, with the exception of Old Forge, measuring 69 degrees, 71 degrees in Otsego, and 77 degrees in Clinton. And our high temperature today will remain in the mid-70s, but once again, very humid. Dew point values at this point are in the upper 60s. It gets a little better for the rest of the week starting tomorrow, but still is going to be pretty muggy with dew point values in the low 60s. We don't really look to get relief in terms of humidity until the weekend. But overlooking the next 2 days. So it does look mostly dry for the next 2 days as this high pressure system comes in, but there is still the possibility to see a passing shower or storm because of the dew point value. So tomorrow there is the possibility to see a passing shower in the afternoon or evening, and on Thursday possibility to see a passing thunderstorm in the afternoon or evening. So just keep that in mind for the next 2 days, but it does look like it is going to be mostly dry, and we will be seeing some sunshine and warmer weather near 80 for the high temperature. So let's take a look at everything on the SkyCast. As for today, we are seeing scattered showers and possibly a few brief thunderstorms. Highs are going to be in the mid-70s. We do look to kind of dry out tonight. We see some showers lingering, but mostly dry by tomorrow morning with mostly cloudy skies. Those clouds will decrease. We will be seeing some sunshine tomorrow, but then there is the possibility of a passing shower in the afternoon and evening. Heading into Thursday, it does look to remain mostly dry, seeing some sunshine throughout the day on Thursday, but a passing storm is possible in the afternoon or evening. As for today, we are tracking scattered showers and thunderstorms. Highs are going to be in the mid-70s, and tonight showers are going to be lingering a little bit with the low in the 60s. So for the next few days, it does look dry tomorrow and Thursday, but we will see the possibility of a passing shower or thunderstorm on both of those days. Some more showers and thunderstorms come in for Friday, but then we do dry out and get more comfortable for the weekend. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Some good news for family.
Time now for a first look at the forecast tonight. We go over to Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis. Been a while since we've all been here together, so you're following rain though, right, tonight?
Some rain, kind of messy out there. Talking about on and off showers, generally a washout. It's not raining the entire time, but it's raining most of the time. And you're going to want to keep the umbrella handy if you're heading out this evening. This is a live look at the Yorkville Battery Stern Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We've been getting some rumbles of thunder here too, and at times the rain does come down pretty hard. So far today, the rainfall amounts are less than what we saw yesterday. 1 inch in Westmoreland, about a ½ inch in Herkimer and Brookfield, and then less than that as you head towards the north. Coldbrook and Old Forge getting very little rain today, at least so far. Current temperature is 73 degrees. The sun is out for now at Griffiths. But again, we're going to see very changeable weather this evening with scattered showers, some downpours, and even some breaks of sunshine. Temperatures will be in the upper 60s to low 70s. The weather dries out for tomorrow. Some nice weather ahead. Look at that forecast coming up. Kristen, back to you.
Caught on camera.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. We continue to track unsettled weather, on and off rain showers. Even a few downpours continue this evening. Let's take a live look outside. This is an ominous sky, but it's just rain. It's just those low clouds making things look worse than they actually are. But you can see in the distance a couple of things. Number one, the low clouds obviously getting your attention, but then the brightness in the background is some heavy rain. Behind that, there's some sunshine. That's why it's looking so bright. That's the kind of weather we're dealing with today. Every 5 to 10 minutes, things change rapidly, and that's all thanks to low pressure moving through the region. Again, we're tracking widespread on and off showers as you head throughout the course of this evening. It's a live look at the Yorkville Battery Stern Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Embedded in this, there could also be a few rumbles of thunder from time to time. These are pivoting in from the northwest. There's low pressure in control of our weather now that will be lifting to the north and east. So we will see improving conditions as we head into tonight and tomorrow. But again, we will be in the thick of some rain here, at least for the next couple of hours. The heaviest rain has fallen across central Oneida County today. The numbers are less than what we saw yesterday, but these areas did pick up a soaking rain, about a ½ inch to 1 inch of rain across a good chunk of that thruway corridor in Oneida County. Fog is expected to develop tomorrow morning, and it could be an issue on the roadways. Just something to keep in mind if you're going to be heading out and about. Our chance for rain goes down tonight. Tomorrow we're looking at dry weather, some scattered showers and storms on Thursday. Widespread storms Friday before the weather dries out on Saturday. And if you are looking to cut the lawn, especially with all the rain we've had lately in parts of the area, looks like tomorrow is going to be the best day for that. Conditions get not as favorable here later in the week, again with that chance for rain. Our MoCast is sponsored by Clinton Tractor. Temperatures this evening, Big Moose 72, Dolgeville 71. Across Southern Valleys, again, this is all dependent on rain. Depending on how cool some areas are compared to others. Cooperstown 69 and Norwich with 70. Taking the dog out for a walk this evening. Again, do watch out for some scattered showers. Temperatures in the upper 60s. Tonight's featured dog is Sparky from Poland. If you want to be part of this, head to Bill's Buddies on Facebook. As this area of low pressure lifts to the north and east, the weather does dry out. We'll see some fog through tomorrow morning. We start out with clouds. We'll see a return to sunshine. Should be a nice Wednesday with clearing skies and temperatures in the low 80s. Scattered showers tonight, low of 61. Partly sunny skies tomorrow, temperatures in the low 80s. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Hit or miss shower storm Thursday, 82. Widespread showers and storms Friday. The weather looks nice over the weekend. It warms up, it turns humid. More showers and storm chances Monday and Tuesday. And coming up in the next half hour, we've got a brand new satellite that we'll be able to see in the night sky. We'll let you know what that's all about coming up.
Can we run out tonight and see it?
No.
Ah, darn it. All right, thanks, Bill. Brown America now. It's being called a once-a-century weather event.
Storms have been causing deadly flooding in the southern states, and now they're stretching east toward the lower Mississippi Basin, continuing to drench Texas. Amy Kiley reports on how this weather is affecting residents and air travelers.
My apartment is literally flooding. I just woke up and should I call 911? What do I do?
The storms that caused this dangerous flooding in Utah, Arizona, and Texas are stalled in East Texas and forecast to bring more rain today. They're also stretching into the lower Mississippi Basin.
Try to get it cleaned up as fast as possible is the plan right now.
Dallas Fire Rescue says it's been responding to dozens of water emergency calls.
So a lot of these cars are stranded, people in their vehicles.
The fire department in the Dallas suburb of Mesquite says a 60-year-old woman appears to have died after a flood overtook her vehicle. 100 miles east of Dallas, some buildings in Winona are destroyed. The National Weather Service confirms a tornado is responsible.
I could see all this flying. I mean, it happened quick.
City phone rang with the alert that there was a storm in the area. Then a few minutes later, tornado, and then boom, started getting calls and that sort of thing that the tornado had hit.
Dallas and neighboring Fort Worth are home to two major airports, so the storms are causing flight delays and cancellations. Nationwide, nearly 1,500 U.S. flights were canceled yesterday. About 8,000 were delayed.
I think everybody wasn't anticipating this much rain this fast.
I'm Amy Kiley reporting.
Still ahead here, fire forces a Tabor family from their beds overnight.
Also tonight, an in-depth look at...
And Chief Meteorologist Bill Cardis, you know, the rain came down hard, the sun came out for a little bit, then it rained again.
That changes so much on days
wow.
like today. We're going to continue to track more rain here for this evening, but wanted to mention something that's going to be happening tomorrow. Starlink satellites. This is from SpaceX. These satellites are used to help provide worldwide internet coverage. They'll be visible locally. We saw this on Friday as well as Saturday. There are a string of satellites in the sky, so they look different than the International Space Station. And this is the local viewing. Tomorrow, 8:35, visible for 4 minutes. These are going to be passing tonight's sky, but I think we're going to be too cloudy for that. So again, mark your calendars here for tomorrow evening. We're expecting clear skies. Live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Widespread scattered rain showers, some downpours taking place this evening. Also some breaks of sunshine between rain showers. So very changeable weather here will continue throughout the course of this evening. In general, it does stay quite wet. We do get a chance to dry out tonight, and the weather is set for some sunshine here as we head into our Wednesday. A look at that forecast coming up. Jason, back to you.
All right, Bill, thank you. A Cell Network.
Central New York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Cardis.
Good evening. Very changeable weather today. We're tracking widespread scattered showers, downpours, and in between the rain, some sunshine. Let's take a live look in Cooperstown. The next downpour is on the way. We're continuing to track very numerous showers in our area. This is a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. This is all being driven by low pressure. So there's a big circulation in the atmosphere, and it's moving these showers generally from west to east. And we will be seeing more of these over the next few hours. After sunset, a lot of this shower activity will diminish. A lot of this is being driven by the heating of the sun. In addition to some downpours, even a rumble of thunder or two is possible, although that looks to be the exception rather than the rule. It's really humid outside. Dew points are in the upper 60s, so even though it's not a very warm day, it's still very humid, and that's allowing for those showers to produce a decent amount of rain here today. It stays muggy Wednesday and Thursday. The humidity starts to rise. as we head into Friday. Skywatchers checking in with temperatures and rainfall amounts. Clinton picking up 1.25 inches of rain, a little over 1/2 inch of rain in New Hartford. Old Forge and Inlet checking in with 71 degrees. Less rainfall across the Adirondacks today. Paynes Hollow 68, Milford 67, and Cassville checking in with 70 degrees. On the radar and satellite image, you can see a broad circulation. This is low pressure, and the winds around that low are turning counterclockwise. This is going to head to the north and east, and as it does so, we will see clearing. You can see to the west, Buffalo, the weather is drying out and some sunshine taking place, and that's going to be our weather for tomorrow. Storm Tracker 2 Skycast, as those showers end, we will see some fog roll in overnight, and that could be thick tomorrow morning, so just heads up on that. Clouds give way to sunshine tomorrow, a generally nice day. Temperatures climb into the low 80s. Skies look mostly clear tomorrow night. We'll drop down into the upper 50s. On Thursday, a generally nice day, a decent amount of sunshine. There's a very small chance for a pop-up shower or storm later in the afternoon, with temperatures in the low 80s. Scattered showers tonight, low of 61. Again, some fog rolls in early tomorrow morning. This is expected to lift by the mid-morning, and we'll see some sunshine in the afternoon, a high of 81. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Thursday, again, the chance of a pop-up shower or storm. Most of Thursday looks dry, high of 82. Widespread showers and storms are possible on Friday, 77. That's part of a cold front. Some drier weather to follow, and actually a nice weekend ahead. Saturday, temperatures in the upper 70s, low 80s on Sunday. The risk for some more scattered showers and storms on Monday and Tuesday. Warm and humid with temperatures in the mid-80s. We're tracking how much rain fell today across the area. The latest rainfall reports at 6 o'clock. Stay with us.
Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
We're tracking widespread showers, a few downpours taking place this evening too. Let's take a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Just a generally unsettled day with rounds of rain and in between rain showers and breaks of sunshine. These showers are numerous across the area. Rome, Utica, Poland, the Mohawk Valley, seeing some showers, some downpours. There are some breaks in this as well. These are approaching from the west. Rainfall today, less than yesterday, but still a soaker for most areas. Westmoreland picking up more than 1 inch of rain. Herkimer, Brookfield, a 1/2 inch of rain. Much less rainfall in Herkimer, northern Herkimer County, Colebrook, Old Forge, getting very little rain today. Current temperature is 70 degrees at Griffiths and Rome. West wind at around 10 miles an hour. And again, we'll see changeable weather this evening with showers and breaks of sunshine. Temperatures in the upper 60s to low 70s. The weather dries out tomorrow, but we have some fog to be concerned about here for tonight. Take a look at that forecast coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. The Rome Capital.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening and welcome back. We continue to track big changes in our weather. We've been seeing sunshine followed by downpours, and we're getting a downpour right now. This is a live look at our CAV tower cam. We're looking south, and we are in the middle of a downpour here on Smith Hill. Live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. This activity is scattered, so not everybody's seeing the same weather here, and it's changing a lot. This is all due to low pressure that's just to our north. We can see this broad circulation in the atmosphere counterclockwise. The low is centered to the north, and it continues to bring showers in our area. As we head past sunset, we'll see less showers, and eventually, as the low heads to the east, the weather will be improving. These are the areas that saw the most rain today. Oneida County picking up the heaviest rainfall at about 1/2 inch to 1 inch of accumulation. Areas that didn't see much rain, the Adirondacks, northern Herkimer County, Lewis County missing the rain today. Otsego County getting some rain, although not as much as parts of the Mohawk Valley. Some fog is expected to settle in tonight, and that could be thick through tomorrow morning. Just a heads up, especially if you're traveling before sunrise, that fog is expected to be around through the morning commute. Tomorrow we get a chance to dry out. We're expecting some sunshine, some scattered showers for Thursday. Widespread rain is expected for Friday before the weather dries out heading into the weekend. Skywatchers checking in temperatures, rainfall amounts. Bob and Clinton picking up 1 1/4 inch of rainfall. Mike and New Hartford about 1/2 inch of rain. Forestport checking in with 67 degrees across southern valleys. Eaton, Lyman checking in 69 degrees, Paynes Hollow 68, and Markham Milford is 67. This area of low pressure heads to the east, and our weather will gradually clear out. In fact, by tomorrow, we're expecting a return to sunshine, especially as we head into the afternoon. Storm Tracker 2 Skycast. Showers come to an end tonight, but it's mostly cloudy. In fact, some fog is expected to arrive late tonight and early tomorrow. That'll be thick in the morning. By the afternoon, we will clear out. Temperatures climb into the low 80s. Tomorrow night, the weather is expected to be clear. We're expecting sunshine as we head into Thursday. There is a slight chance of a pop-up shower or storm. It's not showing up on our Skycast, but some of the other information that we're looking at does suggest that. And again, we'll be keeping an eye out for that. A better chance for showers and storms Friday. Passing shower tonight, watch out for fog late, a low of 61. Fog gives way to sunshine tomorrow. Temperatures climb into the low 80s. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Get that chance of a storm Thursday, 82. Shower storms Friday, 77. The weekend is looking nice. 78 Saturday, 81 Sunday. Warm and humid with some pop-up showers and storms on Monday and Tuesday. Back over to you.
Bill, thank you. Still to come on First Look at the Forecast. Let's go over to Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis. Tracking a little bit of rain still, right?
Yeah, still seeing some lingering rain showers. Low pressure driving our weather tonight. We do expect to see more showers. In the wake of this, some fog. As this low pressure system lifts, it's going to take a little while to dry out, and it will start out tomorrow morning with some dense fog in lower elevations. Today's rainfall, we picked up over an inch in Westmoreland. Herkimer, Brookfield picking up about ½ inch of rainfall. Morrisville, about 1/3 of an inch of rain. Lesser amounts of rain in northern Herkimer County. Our current temperature is 69 degrees. It continues to cool off. But temperatures really haven't changed all that much in the past several hours, and that's where we will settle back into. We'll drop down into the low 60s tonight, so it'll be comfortable for sleeping. You can leave the windows open, maybe run the fan. Again, overnight lows in the low 60s. Some scattered showers and some fog overnight. We'll get a chance to dry out. The weather looks nice as we head into the start of the weekend. Look at that forecast that's coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. Following a developing story tonight, firefighters, listen up.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening and welcome back. We're taking a live look outside. This is our Cavy Tower Cam. We're looking into the parking lot this evening because the fog has rolled in and it will be thick in many places heading into tonight. In addition to fog, we have some light rain that continues. It's a live look at the York Hill Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. This rain is going to depart the area tonight as low pressure lifts to the north and east. And again, in its wake, fog. That'll be thickest around sunrise. The fog is expected to lift as we head into the morning time. After about 7 a.m., things improve tremendously. The New York State Fair begins tomorrow, and if you're heading to that, it's partly sunny. It's pleasant. Temperatures will be in the low 80s, and we're looking at a decent amount of sunshine. Dry on Wednesday. An isolated shower is possible Thursday. Widespread storms on Friday as our next weather maker arrives. Saturday looks dry as that cold front departs. Take you around the clock tomorrow. We'll start with temperatures. 7 a.m. temperatures in the mid-60s. We warm up. We're looking at high temperatures tomorrow afternoon near 80 degrees. As far as wind goes, a gentle breeze throughout the day. Again, things are looking pretty quiet. Good day to cut the lawn tomorrow, drying out. Thursday, again, that chance of an isolated shower in the afternoon, so cutting in the morning would be better. Friday is not looking very favorable for mowing the lawn. Our Mowcast, by the way, is sponsored by Clinton Tractor. Low pressure continues to drive our weather this evening. It's heading to the east very slowly, and that's going to allow conditions to improve. We're looking at cloudy skies tomorrow mornings, again, some fog in the air. Temperatures start out in the mid-60s. With west winds kicking in, we do expect the fog to lift, and it'll be replaced by sunshine and pleasant temperatures, highs in the low 80s. Tomorrow night, the weather looks mostly clear. Overnight lows drop down into the upper 50s. Thursday, a generally pleasant day. There is a small chance that we could see a pop-up shower in the afternoon as a very weak warm front rolls through the region. A better chance of rain is expected on Friday. Showers tonight, a low of 61. Again, watch out for the fog tomorrow morning. Expected to be pretty thick in some areas. Back to sunshine in the afternoon. Temperatures in the low 80s. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. A pop-up shower or storm is possible Thursday, 82. Widespread showers and storms Friday, 77. The weekend's looking nice. Saturday, Sunday, temperatures near 80 degrees. Warm and humid with hit or miss showers and storms on Monday and Tuesday. We'll be right back.
First look at the forecast tonight. Let's get over to Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis. Still tracking a little bit of rain out there.
Yeah, we are still seeing some light rain and some patchy fog. This is a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. The rain will continue for the next couple of hours. It will gradually move out of our area as low pressure departs central New York. As we look at rainfall today, we got less than yesterday, but we picked up a soaker, especially in parts of central Oneida County. Westmoreland picking up 1 1/4 inch of rain. Herkimer, almost 3/4 of an inch of rain, about 1/2 inch of rain in Brookfield and Coldbrook. Old Forge picking up 1/4 inch of rain. Again, most areas picking up something, but again, it did fall heavier in parts of the area compared to others. Current temperature is 68 degrees. We have not seen much of a temperature change here throughout the course of this evening, but we will fall down into the low 60s tonight, and it will be comfortable as you can leave the windows open going to bed. We're looking at some patchy fog and some showers overnight. Tracking some nicer weather, return to sunshine. Look at your forecast coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. Developing story.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. Some fog has rolled in on Smith Hill. We are taking a live look outside. Our CAV tower cam is looking into the parking lot. Visibility will be an issue tonight as well as tomorrow. Something to keep in mind if you're heading out the door first thing in the morning, especially right before sunrise. And I think the fog will be thickest. Live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Some light showers continuing in central New York as low pressure very slowly lifts to the north and east. And it leaves behind fog heading into tonight. Again, thickest around sunrise. Give yourself some extra time to get to work tomorrow morning if you're going to be heading out. If you have the day off, or if you're just heading to the fair tomorrow, it looks nice. New York State Fair begins tomorrow. Partly sunny skies, temperatures in the low 80s. We should see a decent day, and it's expected to be dry. On Thursday, some isolated showers are possible. Friday, some widespread rain. That'll be our next weather maker rolling in. The weekend looks nice in central New York. Both Saturday and Sunday looking dry. Let's take you through the day tomorrow, hour by hour. We'll start out at 7 a.m. Temperatures in the upper 60s. We do warm up. We'll be near 80 degrees in the afternoon. The wind will be light throughout the course of the day. Looking to cut the lawn with all the rain we've had. Looks like tomorrow is going to be the best day to do that, at least over the next 3 days. Some showers are possible again late Thursday, and again widespread rain Friday. Our MoCast is brought to you by Clinton Tractor. Low pressure is driving our weather today. This is why we've seen clouds and on and off showers. This is slowly pushing to the north and east. And behind it, we do have an area of high pressure that will arrive, and that's going to help clear skies out for tomorrow. We'll see this transition from clouds and showers over to fog first thing tomorrow morning. Temperatures start out in the 60s. But as that weather works in from the west, we do expect clearing skies, sunshine, temperatures climb into the low 80s. A generally nice day across the region. Clear skies tomorrow night. Starlink satellites are expected to be visible locally around 8:30, and we're expecting decent weather for that. Looking at sunshine here as we head into Thursday, temperatures climb into the low 80s. A very small chance of a pop-up shower or storm Thursday afternoon. Scattered showers tonight, low of 61. Some fog rolls in, and again, it's thick in the morning. We'll see sunshine in the afternoon. Temperatures climb in the low 80s. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Pop-up shower late Thursday, 82. Widespread storms Friday, 77. Nice weekend ahead. Looking dry both Saturday and Sunday. Temperatures seasonably warm. Looking at more humid conditions. Some pop-up storms Monday and Tuesday. We'll be right back.